The JCB-1, nicknamed Angela after Mr. Carnaby's late wife, is on her way back to the JCB factory, where she's about to be lovingly restored.
What we're going to do is we're going to start stripping it down, taking off all the major components, and then we'll send components out to different business units where they can recondition them, look at the state of them, put them back together, and then we'll bring all the components back here to rebuild in a couple of months' time. Going forward, the plan is to get the various components shipped to the satellite business unit.
Today the team have stripped down a hydraulic stabiliser leg ramp. We took apart the cylinder, took out the rod and took apart the different piston head and end cap parts, all ready to be cleaned and assessed.
Today the guys have stripped the engine. We'll be cleaning the parts and measuring them, seeing what we need to replace, seeing what we need to repair and seeing what we can use again.
We have been working on the chassis getting ready for paint. So we have taken off all the subcomponents and we've sent them off to the relevant business units for them to work on within JCB. We have then sent the chassis for a chop blast, and that's what we're now working on today, is the fabrication for the chassis to get it ready for the paint.
We've just finished up measuring a few of the key engine components. Some interesting results, some good, some less so, not as desirable, but we're just going to take them away and have to think about what that means for whether we need to find replacement parts or whether repairs are possible.
We managed to remove most, if not all, of the rust. They look a lot better now than they were. They were caked in mud, they had paint on the inside where the oil was.
It's been great to get involved with working on a project which has been an original JCB back from the very start of the company, only 75 years ago. And it's been great to see what the engineering was like back then and be able to compare it to what we use today and how things have changed over the years.